name is Sebastian. This is my son Leo. This is Elisa, finished freshman Spanish. And we're going to do a song, Feggaraki Mou Lambro, Twinkle Twinkle Little Moon. It's in Greek, so it's new for all of us. He's been learning Russian, he's been learning Finnish, I've been learning Spanish. So, we're going to do Greek, alright? First time for Feggaraki Mou Lambro, Twinkle Twinkle Little Moon, is Feggaraki Mou Lambro. It's going to be the little moon, like it coming up, and then shine. So then, okay, ready? Like a firework. You're shooting a firework, it blows up. But with the firework, you're going to do like a G. English G. Yeah, and then what you're going to do, Feggaraki Mou Lambro, Feggaraki perfecto, like you're walking. And we're not running though, so you can do the floss, it's kind of like it. Yeah. And then so, Feggaraki Mou Lambro, Feggaraki perfecto, little moon, shine on me as I walk to go. This is not piano, it's to go. So Feggaraki Mou Lambro, Feggaraki perfecto, not piano, tosco. Clap your hands, this is school. So little moon, shine on me as I'm walking to go to school. So Feggaraki Mou Lambro, Feggaraki perfecto, not piano, tosco. Namapeno is to learn, so I can learn my letters. You take two L's, kind of hit them together. Namapeno grammata. So Feggaraki Mou Lambro, Namapeno. So then let's just do this. Namapeno grammata. So I can learn my letters at school. And then after that, you're going to go grammata again. Grammata, spudamata. Like you're reading this exhausting letter of demands that your enemy has sent. So, or like a clipboard. You have a lot of papers, like at your work or something. So, Feggaraki Mou Lambro, Feggaraki perfecto, na piano, tosco yo, namapeno grammata, spudamata, tutheu, put your hand in the sky, pragmata. So that's little moon, shine on me as I walk to go to school to learn my letters. And then I don't really know what the other stuff means.
It actually means and to learn the things of God. I know
and
that.
to learn the things of God. What she said. Okay. So
You go to church for that.
alright, and now
Church is for.
yeah, so now we're gonna do that sing. 1, 2, 3. Feggaraki Mou Lambro, Feggaraki perfecto, na piano tosco yo, namapeno grammata, spudamata, tutheu pragmata. And that is Feggaraki Mou Lambro in Spanish. That's right. You mean Greek.